Business English Study.
IKEA. Elementary level. IKEA, the furniture shop from Sweden. It sells cushions. It sells meatballs. It sells FLATPACK furniture. FLATPACK furniture. What is that? The customer buys the furniture in parts, then takes it home and assembles it. This saves space, time and money for the company. How many IKEA shops are there in the world? 433 in 52 countries. That's how many. And they all sell lots of cushions and meatballs and FLATPACK furniture. Wow! IKEA! From one small shop to $1 billion company.
Business English Study.